Hi, so today I will show you how to change voice of a song or a music to Chipmunk's voice. But before going to the next step, don't forget to subscribe the channel and give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started. So, for the Chipmunk's voice you have to download Voice Changer application. Link to this application is given below in the description. Click on those three dots. Click on Import Pre-recorded audio. Select a song or audio you want to edit. Click on the helium effect and listen to the song. If it's perfect, then save it on your device. Hey, do you like that wallpaper? The link to the app is given in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to share this video.